Welcome, Scott here. Hope you're well. What's affiliate marketing and why do we recommend it as a starting point for your online business? So, affiliate marketing is when you market somebody else's product or service, and then any sales that are made through your marketing, you'll get a commission for. And that commission can be anything from 1% to 50% or even higher in some cases. So, a great example of this would be Amazon. Amazon has a great affiliate model. It's very easy for affiliate marketers to market products on Amazon, and that makes it a good starting point. Unfortunately, the actual commissions are reasonably low, so it's not an ideal place unless you've got lots of volume. But it's a very simple model, and it's a great example of what affiliate marketing is. So you go and market a product, no matter what it is, something that's sold on Amazon, and if somebody buys it through clicking your link for that product, then Amazon will give you a percentage of that sale, the commission, to you for making that connection between Amazon and the person buying the product. That's what affiliate marketing is. So why is affiliate marketing the best model to get started with? Very simple. If you're going to start with your own product and market it yourself and sell it yourself and support it yourself and do everything yourself, it is a huge amount of stuff to do and to learn, of course. New to the online space, as you probably are, you don't want to be learning everything in one go because it'd be overwhelming. You would find it too difficult. You'd give up before you get very far. So that's what the beauty of affiliate marketing is. Somebody else already has a product, and you can find out how good that product is and how much people actually want to buy that product, how popular it is. And then you can go and market it for that person as an affiliate and get commissions from selling that product. So you only need to concentrate on the marketing of the product. Everything else is done for you. And that's the beauty of it. So marketing itself is quite a big topic, and there's lots to learn. But when you're learning just the affiliate, just the marketing side of the business, then it's far easier than having to learn the whole business model all the way through. So for instance, you're marketing somebody else's product, so you don't have to design a product. Because if you design a product, you then might find it doesn't work, or it's not what people want, or you've got to keep redesigning it, or you've got to employ a product team, the development team. All additional costs and headaches you don't really need because you're going to be marketing products that already exist and you've already proven there's a market for. People want to buy them. You don't have to worry about a sales team. You're just doing the marketing, all the sales side of it, and also usually the marketing material like PDFs and even email structure and the copy. That's all done for you. So you haven't even got to worry about that. You just got to market that message to your audience. If you're talking about physical products and you're a marketer for this physical product that somebody else has designed and is selling, then you don't have to hold the product yourself. You don't have to have it stuck up in your garage or in your bedroom or in the spare room. That's all done for you. The fulfillment side is done for you. So you market it, you sell it, then you wash your hands, job done. They worry about the person who actually builds a product and sells a product. They look after the shipping of the product to the person who just bought it. Another thing, if it's digital products, you don't have to worry about necessarily designing websites, because when you're doing websites or you've got a sales funnel, which is obviously very important, you don't want to be doing that all yourself from the beginning, because that's quite it's tricky, right? It's another skill to learn. Usually when you're an affiliate with somebody else, they have the main website for their product. They may well have a sales funnel. You just market it Like with Amazon. Amazon gives you a link. They do they do the selling for you, the whole fulfillment process for you. They even have the website for the customer as well to go and look on it. That's the website. That's the product I want to buy. They've already clicked on your link to get there because you've marketed that product to them and you've said what a great product it is. And they go through Amazon and everything else is done for you. So you don't even have to worry about websites. You can do. Sometimes if you're doing some sort of products or services, you may want to have a website there, but you don't have to for affiliate products necessarily. And of course, at the end of it, you don't have to worry about customer support or technical support or any other stuff. It's just you, solopreneur. All you've got to do is get their message in front of the right person at the right time, and then they click on your link, and then when they make a sale, you get your affiliate commission. So that's why we recommend it for people starting in this space, because you don't have to learn all these other parts of a business. It's just too much. You can do it. Good luck. I'm not saying you can't, but it is just that much harder, especially if you're into this for the first time. Like I came into this from engineering background, knew nothing about websites, nothing about building products, nothing about selling, marketing, technical support, any of those things. So learning the marketing itself was all I wanted to do, and the affiliate side of it is what allows me to do that, just by learning the marketing. And is affiliate marketing big? It's massive. It's massive. Look at Amazon. More than 50% of their sales comes through affiliate marketers. That's a pretty good business model for them, isn't it? They can sell twice as many products, at least, by letting other people market it for them. Right? It's great for them. It's great for us as affiliate marketers. We can get on that. We can get onto that. We can have our affiliate links in there, and we can make sales, and we can get our commission from it. And affiliate marketing covers so many things nowadays. Lots of physical products through Amazon and those sort of things, like lots of like an online store kind of affiliate products, and also lots of digital products, which is where a lot of the big margin comes in, because with digital products, there's more margin to make. Therefore, they can offer more commission. So with the digital products, you can often find you'll get 15, 20, 25%, and even goes up from there. Some of them you might even find there's 70% commission, which is huge. So that's where the real money has been made. When you're talking about physical products, it's more about volume. When it's digital products with the high ticket items, that's a great way to make your money. So that's why I recommend affiliate marketing. It's a great business model. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.